Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be helping you double the speed of your Chromecast with Google TV. Now, this device was released back in 2020, and last year, in 2024, Google released a successor, Google TV Streamer, and it's 22% faster, but it's gonna cost you $100. However, if you still wanna enjoy some of the increased speed benefits without spending the money, then follow these steps. You'll first have to turn on developer mode. To do so, go into Settings, System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build. Then, click that 7 times until you see the message that says, "You are now a developer." Now, click the back button. Go to Developer Settings. Then, scroll down until you see these 3 options: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. When you're opening an app or going into a menu, a brief transition animation usually takes place, and these settings here will change the speed of the animation and how long they last. The smaller the number, the faster things will go. The bigger the number, the slower things will go. Just to demonstrate, I'll change everything to 10x, and I'll let you observe the difference. I'll change the window animation scale, then I'll change the transition animation scale, and lastly, I'll change the animator duration scale. And right away, you can see Google TV is significantly slower. It's like moving underwater. But this is a testament to how changing just those 3 settings can have such a major impact on speed. Now, let's change it to 0.5x and then check out the speed difference. But before I do that, if you're finding this content useful, hit that like button. And if you want to see more Google TV tips, subscribe and hit the notification bell. All right, let's get back into it. So let's change each of these settings from 10x to 0.5x. We'll start with the window animation scale. Then we'll slowly change the transition animation scale. And finally, we'll change the animator duration scale. And already you can see a noticeable speed difference. The difference is even more apparent when you go to the home menu and start navigating around. It's very snappy and super fast, but if it's still not fast enough for you and you'd rather just buy the new Google TV Streamer, then click this video to get a full breakdown of the Google TV Streamer's features to determine if it's worth your money.